sir?
No, this tastes good.
Tastes good?
Yeah, this tastes good.
You like it?
Yeah, this tastes like some proper pork.
Jerk salmon. Jerk chicken.
Shaky. It's a little shaky. A little shaky?
Have you... Conch soup?
Yes.
I gotta try the conch soup.
Yo, Lando, prime time Lando, in the building. Shalom, shalom, lifestyle trucking, Jamaica running.
Shalom, shalom. What it is, people? What's going on? We're at Tampa with it today. All right, we at what it called? Dunn River, Jamaican restaurant up in Tampa, Florida. I got the youngest with me, cousin and little bro. My little brother said I've been here before, but it had to be like years ago. Once upon a time, I used to live in Tampa, long time ago. But from what I see a good sign already. Jerk pan. Right there. Jerk pan. So you know the jerk is real. The jerk is not real if it's not on the grill. If the jerk is not on the grill, it's not real. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna go on inside. We're gonna go check it out and see if the food is good. Yeah. That's what we're doing. Let's go. Man.
Prime time Lando, in the building. Shalom, shalom, lifestyle trucking, Jamaica running. Prime time Lando, yeah, we dep on the road. Truck them rolling, blessings overload. From Georgia to Florida, God in my soul. Shalom, shalom, man, I'm moving control. Lifestyle clean and the vlogs them bold. Culture rich like your Jamaican gold. Prime time Lando, yeah, the journey unfold.
Alright, people. We decided to sit down, right? Looking at the menu, the prices don't look bad at all. I saw the grill outside, so we're definitely gonna sample something off the grill. That's why I brought it down, because you know I don't eat meat. You get the mic.
That's why I brought them, because you know I don't eat meat. But we're gonna sample a few different things actually. What you plan on eating, sir?
We want to sample. So you don't be like Kareem and order big meals. We want everything.
Large oxtail, large goat, large.
Oxtail? All right.
This oxtail.
So this is how we're gonna do it, people. We're gonna order, well, everything gonna be split. Because we want a full review. So we're gonna split everything, whatever. Of course, you know, I'm only gonna sample the seafood. We're gonna split everything. We wanna see what Dunn's River all about. Oche, we at Dunn's River now. We're not seeing a river still, but we at Dunn's River. We're ready.
Awesome. Here we go.
You can be in there if you want. If you okay, you won't be in there. You don't want to be a star?
I don't want to be.
All right, not today. Next tomorrow.
Welcome and thank you again. I'm Sharon. I'm your server.
Okay. All right, Miss Sharon. We're ordering a few different things. We just want to sample what you guys have. So we came down to first of all, what do you guys specialize in? What do you think is the go-to, the most popular dish that you guys have?
Okay, all our dishes are popular. Yes. All our dishes are popular.
Okay.
Customer that customizing their special dish.
What's that dish that you say, oxtail? No, you're not on camera. Only me. The camera's on me.
Okay, so we have the great oxtails, we have from the water, we have from the earth, we have pastas in general, we have combinations, we have warm-ups, we have main events. We have the great conch soup today.
Conch soup?
Yes.
I gotta try the conch soup. Conch soup. People, we getting conch soup. We're getting the jerk salmon, oxtail, small, jerk chicken, curry goat.
White rice and cabbage?
Please.
And a small goat?
Yes.
White rice or rice and peas?
You know white rice. I know that go with white rice, all right, you know?
White rice.
All right, folks. We just got some drinks with our food. Everything is cooked. Most of the stuff is cooked to order. My fish is cooked to order. We have good soursop. We're gonna see if it's real soursop now. Aleem ordered pineapple ginger.
Man for the mission got so much up too.
One for the mission got soursop too.
What mission?
Man for the
Actually,
mission.
I don't know what mission we on. Ask me. What mission we on, Jimmy? All right. Can't drink too much because I gotta leave space for food. But I gotta sample it to see.
But
Like
the
real,
thing is, it's like a Jamaican thing. We gotta like shake it first, you know.
this is like real sauce.
Shake up all the protein.
Look too loose to me. I'm not gonna lie. It's supposed to be thicker.
Nah, this is too loose.
No, you did it again. I did it again, right?
You did it again.
I did it again.
See, I just switched over.
So what's up, Jules? Wondering, but it's alright.
The flavor is there.
Flavor is there, but it's alright. It just don't taste as strong.
Yeah, it's not as thick.
It's not as
I
thick.
like my sauce up. Drink thick.
Side.
It's alright.
I don't have that. It's,
I say it's alright.
But things like you cannot taste the water. You know?
Yeah.
This shit
I've
water,
never,
bro.
I've never really got
Hey, man.
pineapple jelly.
We
Other
don't
than in Jamaica.
But the thing is that
we don't curse on this channel, sir. No profanity.
Who curse? I didn't curse.
Y'all heard him curse? Drop down in the comments. Let me know if y'all heard him curse.
It's not curse. But the thing is, it's that
All right, people. We have conch soup. All right. Judging off what it looks like.
that's not good.
God bless John David Worm. It look rich. My brother got the same thing. Go ahead. Our table look a little messy, but you know.
Listen, my bad. Ready?
Go ahead.
Hot. Shake. It's a little shaky.
A little shaky? Have you ever had conch soup before?
Yes.
Okay.
What's wrong with him?
I'm just asking a question, man. It's shaky. Boss say shaky, you know. Shit the camera. Huh? You gonna finish that?
Alright. There ain't gonna be no room for this now.
Nah, don't finish that, cause we gotta leave room for the other food. Alright. Alright, people, my turn. Boss say shit, you know. 5, 6? 5, 6. Yeah, but it's not bad. Okay, grab a spoon and grab that side. I said 6. Grab a spoon real quick. This is not a 7. It's not a, well, in my opinion, it's not a 6.
It ain't no much. She only brought 2, I think.
It's decent. Yeah. It's good. I wish you could taste it. The soup is good.
I said it's 6. 6 is alright.
It's a good one.
6 is alright.
He got a high taste bud. His mom can cook real good.
Yeah.
Yo, this, I'm gonna be honest. It's soup bite. For me. I'm gonna give it an 8.
I knew you were funny. I got it.
He said a 6. It's cool though. That's his opinion.
I don't agree with your opinion.
No, it's good. If you get a spoon,
Hey, I'm not saying I'm gonna sit here and finish.
well, people, let me tell you about the soup. Yeah, the soup is legit. You know, okra, shortchop, dumpling, carrot. You know, you can see the thyme floating in there, so you know it's good. I like it. My brother says it's okay, but that's how you feel. Maybe I don't have good cooks around me.
We have the same cooks around.
You can go though. I like it. The conch soup is a must try.
I will put it away for sure. Yo, no, definitely try it.
And it got the right amount of spice to it too.
Definitely try
Look at this, pepper right there. It's a good sign. I ain't taking pepper.
I don't want that.
All right, people. As you can see, we got food. We got the food. We have, let me get my mic on. We have jerk salmon, jerk chicken, oxtail, curry goat. All this is small, by the way. I'm not gonna lie. It's small. it's definitely small.
We're here for full review.
But we're here for the review, not the portion. Like, all of it goes together. All of it goes together. The soup was banging, so we're gonna let. How we gonna do this? Just all right. Take a little bit of everything and put on your plate, I guess. We got a lot of stuff.
It don't matter.
So we got Mr. Man for the Mission, curry what?
Man, this bunny move. Bad. No.
Real reviews, sir.
No, this tastes good.
Tastes good?
This tastes good.
You like it?
Yeah, this tastes like some proper curry goat.
Proper.
Proper.
All right, my boss. You will know I leave.
All right. Good. Good.
It's good? Okay then. Okay then. People, as we all know, I don't eat meat. So I'm gonna go off what they said. The curry goat proper. And remember, we have chefs in the family, like real chefs. Not play chef people. I say them.
The rice tastes really good.
Rice is good. Shelly, you like Shelly rice?
Very.
Shelly, partition rice. All right. Don't eat too much. When you might eat that all food. All right. Next, let's review the oxtail. All right. Aline said he know what's going on, so we're gonna go with Man for the Mission. Oxtail. Oxtail.
Rice and peas good.
Rice and peas solid. Shelly. Is it Shelly, sir?
Very sure.
Shelly.
The thing is, it's like, I like how like they give you like a lot of peas, so it's like a real Jamaican rice and peas.
Yeah, peas, man.
Yeah, I mean a peas man, you know. Oxtail. Okay. I gave it an 8. Oxtail 8.
Really?
Oxtail 8. All right.
My turn. Oh, my turn. All right. I get it. You sorry, because we didn't review the cabbage either.
We say it's solid.
Yeah.
That was a cabbage. Yeah, you right.
Yeah, we didn't even do the cabbage yet. See, I got you. Cabbage. That was good, man. I'll give it. And this one, I'll do an 8 too.
Do an 8?
For everything
it
else.
is. All right, on to the next one, people. We got jerk chicken left. Jerk chicken though.
Alright, so we got some jerk chicken right here.
We saw the grill outside.
We got cabbage. Cabbage with the jerk sauce tastes pretty good.
Okay.
We get some of this jerk chicken right here.
You know him?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This chicken, nah, this jerk chicken too good.
Jerk chicken solid?
Solid.
Legit?
Legit.
Yaadie or Jamaican?
Yaadie. You know,
Alright.
Jamaican, Yaadie, bro.
On to you, sir.
Alright. Solid. Do it, man. Solid. Check the sauce, good.
Jerk sauce good. All right, people. On to the jerk salmon. You know, I'm the seafood guy. I'm not really giving them. I'm just gonna let them taste like a little piece of the fish, not even a lot, because they ate up all those food. My turn, no. All right, folks. It's time for me to eat my salmon. Everybody ate. I gave them a little sample of the salmon. We don't care what their opinion is for the salmon.
Right.
It's my turn. Salmon first. They said jerk. 'Cause you know I jerk salmon.
Make sure you get the sauce, man.
Oh, we got the sauce? I'm gonna try it without the sauce first, then with the sauce. It's flavor, got flavor. Not bad, not bad. We'll do another one without the sauce. There you go. I just taste the jerk. I just taste the jerk. Let's put the sauce on it. I'm not a sauce guy, but we're gonna find out. It's solid. It's solid, people. Salmon is solid. So far, the salmon is solid. I give about a 7.8. No, now you know I'm a rice guy. The rice.
Rice good.
Y'all like the rice?
Yeah. I don't like that.
I don't dislike it.
I ain't like that.
The rice.
I think the gravy make it better. Whatever you eating, I think.
The rice is not bad. The rice is right now is at 7.5.
That ain't bad.
Put a little gravy on. Let's see. Rice about a 7.8. Shout out to Dunn's River. The food. This definitely is a spot that you should come visit, for sure. It's a legit Yaadie spot. As far as flavor, as far as taste, everything said, yeah. Because I'm from down south, you know, where it's like Jamaica. When you go out of town, your expectation don't be that high. But Dunn's River is competing with some of the Miami and Jamaican spots and the Fort Lauderdale Jamaican spot. It's a legit spot. Dunn's River, big up yourself. Good one.
Come on, get to go about your man.
All right, people. The verdict is in.
Yeah,
We just finished eating, and we're gonna give the verdict.
Yeah, man. Now,
I'ma
we'll
let-
start shout out to them same way, you know, really.
Man for the mission.
For the good man, not lie, but respect them same way, you know.
So I'm gonna let each one of y'all go and give y'all a verdict on what y'all like, what you didn't like, whatever. I'll leave you first. Just tell the people what you think about the food, man.
I mean, I get it all the time. I'm gonna give it an 8 though. It's always gonna be an 8. Everything good. Oh, I need the mic. Talking to the mic.
Hold the mic.
Man, I don't want to hold it.
Hold the mic, man.
Keep it.
Just talk
But
to
I
them.
give everything an 8. Soup was good. Could have been better. Soup, I was shaky. He gave it 6 for me. He gave it an 8. 6. Everything else, it was decent. I give all together an 8. 7.9. 7.98.
Okay. 7.98
Back early.
from Aline. Come in.
Put back already, but
No, man. People don't want to hear.
As me I say, yo,
And listen,
yeah.
we watch. I have all type of viewers,
Yeah,
so we need other than patois. Okay, go.
Yeah, but the food was good, you know. I gave it a solid 8 and stuff like that. But the food was good customer service. Other from that, shout out to down the Jamaican spot, you know. Yeah. Right.
All right, people. You heard the verdict. We got, what is it, 7.8?
7.9.
7.9, what'd you say?
8.
Solid 8. All right, my verdict. Okay. I only had one thing. Well, I had two things. The conch soup, and I had the jerk salmon. Jerk salmon, solid. Jerk salmon, the jerk salmon, I'm going to say 7.8. 7.8 is my number. Y'all know that. The conch soup, I'm giving like an 8.1. I like that soup. I like it. My brother didn't like it, but it's good. It's all good. I give the conch soup an 8.1. Overall, the aesthetics, everything's good, man. I'm to be honest, I'm a little surprised because usually when I'm outside of Fort Lauderdale, the food is not the best, but this is a certified spot. I must say that. It's a certified spot, man. Hey, I need y'all to come in real quick. Come here real quick. Both of y'all.
Yeah, ready.
So, come over here, man. We're gonna stamp this either a Yaadie spot or a Jamaican spot. When I say Yaadie, there's no wrongs. You say, yeah, this food remind me of back home all the way. I said Jamaican, you know, they Jamaican, but they've been here a long time. They can cook the food, but it's still something missing. So, what you gonna stamp this spot as?
Yaadie.
You know, I really Yaadie spot, man. Really Yaadie spot. You know, Lando, what do you think?
There you go, people. Yaadie.
Yaadie.
We're definitely stamping this spot as a Yaadie spot. Make sure you come check them out, Tampa, Florida. What's the address, man? I don't even know the address. 11156. What road is this? 54th? You'll find it. I'll put it down here somewhere. Dunn's River, Jamaican restaurant, Tampa, Florida. Y'all come check them out.
Check them out.
Stamp as a Yaadie spot. We out.